Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Homestead channel. Welcome if you're new. It's been raining like crazy for the entire week. So I'm just going through and see what's going on the homestead. Alright, something is eating my zinnias, that's for sure. There's one there, and I had more up here. There's one here. The sunflowers are coming on strong thanks to the banana peel fertilizer. I need to add some pesticide in here. I planted some red ginger in there, but those are the light pink ones. Okras are doing fine, and they're still popping out immature. They're actually getting bigger, but I want the trees to get bigger. I don't want to damage the plants, so I'm going to leave those a bit. Let them get a bit bigger. Ew! Oh, that's a flower. Thought it was a bug. These could be edible, but I'm throwing them back in the bed to fertilize them. And my peas are coming in. I think I lost one. There's one. No, I didn't lose it. 2, 3. Everything is so overgrown. The weeds are growing like crazy. And only been a week since the rain started. These are my fava beans and my lima beans. Papayas are looking lovely. Oh my gosh. This is I'm not sure if it's a string bean or a bush bean or cowpeas, whatever it's called. I need to weed this out. Just took off a top, but it's fine. These are my Roselle sorrel, my Roselle hibiscus coming in. Not sure what's growing in here. I planted basil in there. I'm not sure what's going on. Those are some okras, peas. Okay, pineapples are coming along. That's a pepper. I planted some peas right here. The string beans or bush beans, whatever you call them. Peppers, corn. Eggplants that I rescued. This is a rescued one. This is another one. This one I grew from propagation. This one is a rescued one. It's not dead yet, so I think it's fine. Those are some results. These are sprouting up, and I'm not sure what's in there because I planted some eggplants in there. My peas are coming up, and beans. The mosquitoes, the corns down there are looking lovely. So I guess that's it for now. Nothing's unalive. No heavy damage due to the rain. My watermelons are thriving. Right there. I don't want to get my shoe muddy. because I'm wearing flip-flops. But yeah, everything's doing fine, it seems. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.